Hey, what's up, guys? I'm super excited to have you back on the channel today. And if you're new here, welcome to the community where we explore the latest in tech, hacking, and cybersecurity. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our deep dives into the world of ethical hacking and mobile security. Today, we're diving into TERMUX, the terminal emulator that turns your Android into a hacking powerhouse. Imagine having the capabilities of a full Linux environment right in your pocket, ready to unleash powerful tools and scripts wherever you go. TERMUX brings pro-level cybersecurity tools to your pocket. It's accessible, flexible, and perfect for both beginners and advanced users. I'll show you the latest hacking tools for TERMUX in 2026. Think speed, automation, and AI-driven security. From password cracking to network scanning and encryption, these tools are smarter and faster than ever before, making mobile hacking more efficient and secure. There's something here for everyone. Whether you want to test your own network's defenses, learn about ethical hacking, or just experiment with the newest tech. The mobile hacking landscape is evolving rapidly, and TERMUX is at the forefront of this revolution. So grab your Android device, get comfortable, and let's get straight into it. We're about to unlock the future of mobile hacking together. Let's kick things off with HydraX, a revolutionary new tool that's redefining what's possible in the world of mobile password cracking. Designed specifically for Android devices, HydraX brings professional-grade password cracking capabilities right to your pocket, making it accessible for both cybersecurity experts and tech enthusiasts alike. By harnessing the raw power of ARM processors and advanced multi-threading technology, HydraX delivers unprecedented speed and efficiency. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in a fraction of the time, all from the palm of your hand. HydraX isn't just fast, it's incredibly versatile. It supports over a dozen widely used protocols, making it a one-stop solution for a variety of password cracking scenarios. Whether you're targeting SSH, FTP, Wi-Fi networks, or even more specialized protocols like RDP and Telnet, HydraX has you covered. You can even tackle web forms and customize your attack strategies, giving you flexibility that's rarely seen in mobile tools. The intuitive, touch-friendly interface is designed for effortless navigation. No more struggling with tiny keyboards or confusing menus. HydraX adapts to your preferences, making it easy to use for beginners and pros alike. HydraX runs brute force attacks up to 4 times faster than previous mobile tools, thanks to its smart resource management. It keeps your device safe by monitoring battery usage and temperature, so you can crack passwords without worrying about overheating or draining your phone. Built-in features like detailed logs, real-time progress tracking, and automated alerts keep you informed every step of the way. You can even export your results for further analysis or reporting. If you're searching for a fast, flexible, and reliable mobile password cracker, HydraX stands out as the tool to beat in 2026. It's not just the next step, it's a giant leap for mobile cybersecurity. Next up is NetScan Pro, an advanced network scanner for Android. It combines the power of Nmap and Nessus, scanning large networks quickly, even over mobile data. Predictive algorithms map devices, flag vulnerabilities, and avoid network flooding. The real-time dashboard updates you live with new devices and threats, all in a clean, mobile-optimized UI. NetScan Pro integrates with other TERMUX tools for seamless follow-up testing. For serious cybersecurity work, NetScan Pro is a must-have. Now, let's take a closer look at PhishMaster 2026, a powerful tool designed exclusively for authorized educational use in cybersecurity training environments. As phishing attacks continue to evolve, organizations need smarter ways to prepare their teams and test their defenses. PhishMaster 2026 steps up to this challenge, offering a comprehensive mobile-first solution that brings advanced phishing simulations right to your Android device. With PhishMaster, you can automate the entire process of running phishing simulations, making it easier than ever to deploy realistic scenario-based campaigns directly from your phone. Whether you're a security professional or an IT administrator, you can launch targeted campaigns in just a few taps, simulating the latest phishing tactics used by real-world attackers. The platform lets you fully customize templates for websites, emails, or SMS messages, tailoring each simulation to mimic the threats your organization is most likely to face. As users interact with these simulations, you can monitor their responses in real time, gaining valuable insights into your team's awareness and reaction times. What sets PhishMaster 2026 apart is its AI-driven detection evasion technology. This advanced feature allows your simulations to bypass basic security filters, ensuring your tests are as challenging and realistic as possible. By mimicking the sophisticated techniques used by modern cybercriminals, you can better assess your organization's true level of preparedness. Detailed analytics reveal exactly who clicked on a phishing link, when they did it, and from where. This data is crucial for identifying vulnerable users and understanding behavioral patterns. Plus, PhishMaster includes a built-in training module that automatically sends personalized feedback and educational resources to anyone who falls for a simulated attack, helping them learn from their mistakes. By turning weaknesses into strengths, PhishMaster empowers your team to continuously improve their cyber defenses, all from a single, easy-to-use tool that fits in your pocket. For any organization serious about modern phishing defense training, PhishMaster 2026 is not just helpful, it's essential for staying one step ahead of cyber threats. Let's talk WiFiCrack NextGen, built to tackle even WPA3 encryptions. The user-friendly interface lets you scan, capture handshakes, and launch attacks with just a few taps. Offload heavy computations to the cloud for faster results and better battery life. Automated MAC randomization and network cloaking keep your testing discreet. All logs are encrypted and stored securely. For Wi-Fi security research, WiFiCrack NextGen is the go-to tool for 2026. DDoS Blitz is for ethical, authorized stress testing only. Simulate distributed denial of service attacks from your Android to test server resilience. Modular Attack Engine lets you customize type, frequency, and scale of simulated attacks. Safety First mode halts attacks if instability is detected, so you don't take yourself offline. Real-time analytics and detailed reports help you identify bottlenecks and harden infrastructure. DDoS Blitz is invaluable for serious security testing. StealthSMS lets you send encrypted SMS and spoof sender info for penetration testing. Craft custom encrypted messages and send them instantly from TERMUX. Test how your systems handle suspicious messages with the spoofing feature. Security teams can simulate phishing or alert scenarios, all ethically controlled. Every interaction is logged and encrypted for compliance. For mobile communication security testing, StealthSMS is a must-have in 2026. KeyLogger Ultra is for authorized security audits only. It uses kernel-level hooks to capture keystrokes across all apps, even those with security measures. True stealth mode bypasses most anti-malware and hides from task managers. Simple command line setup with encrypted logs and auto-delete options for privacy. Get timestamps, app context, and alerts for suspicious activity. KeyLogger Ultra helps organizations find vulnerabilities before attackers do. ReconBot AI automates reconnaissance with artificial intelligence. Scan for open ports, services, domains, SSL certs, and more, faster and smarter. AI-driven analysis correlates data, predicts attack vectors, and presents findings in an interactive dashboard. Drill down into assets, automate next steps, and keep your workflow efficient. Real-time database updates mean you're always working with the latest intelligence. ReconBot AI is like having a junior analyst on your Android 24/7. Meet ExploitFinder 2026, your source for the latest exploits and proof-of-concept codes. Connects to a constantly updated database, so you're always in the loop. Search by platform, CVE, exploit type, or risk level, and launch exploits with a tap. Integrates directly with tools like HydraX and NetScan Pro for seamless workflows. Built-in safety warnings prompt you to confirm authorization before running any exploit. No more copy-pasting or switching apps. For researchers and ethical hackers, ExploitFinder 2026 is your digital arsenal. Wrapping up with SecureErase Pro, ultimate data privacy for Android. Securely and permanently wipe data using advanced overwriting algorithms, including DoD and Gutmann standards. Target specific files, folders, or wipe the entire device with a simple interface. Batch processing lets organizations wipe multiple devices at once. All actions are logged and encrypted for compliance. For peace of mind or IT management, SecureErase Pro is essential in 2026. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the top TERMUX hacking tools for 2026. Remember, use these tools ethically and with proper authorization. Drop your favorite tool or suggestions in the comments. I love your feedback. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech and cybersecurity deep dives. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep pushing your Android's limit.